Today we are going to learn about economic goods and free goods. So let us first view some examples of economic goods and free goods and then understand the characteristics of economic goods and free goods. So let us view some examples first. Carpet, education. Here you can see processed water filled in bottles used for drinking. Then how water is used for irrigation into the fields. So these are all the examples of economic goods. Now let us see some other examples. Sunshine, water in river, fresh air, wow, I can feel it. So these are all examples of free goods. Understand the characteristics of economic goods and free goods, which will help us classify them into economic goods and free goods. Okay. First, economic goods. They are man-made. They require resources to produce. They are limited in supply. They command price. So they involve opportunity cost. So when our resources are limited in supply and the demand is more, we pay price, we pay value, and we make choices. They become scarce with respect to demand. So they involve opportunity cost. And it is very easy to find examples of economic goods because almost everything what you see around you is a part of economic goods because they are limited in supply. You have paid price for them, you have bought them, they are not freely available. They are man-made resources, okay, and they involve opportunity cost. So almost everything you see around you is an example of economic good. Now let us see what are free goods. They are nature's gift. They do not require resources to make. Their supply is abundant, plenty. They are available in plenty. You do not pay price for them. So it does not involve any opportunity cost because it is freely available in abundant. So your supply exceeds demand. Okay. So there is no opportunity cost. You don't have to make choices. Okay. So they are free goods. And examples of free goods are very rare because they are very rare goods which are available in abundant and you do not have to pay price for them. So as we saw in the examples like fresh air, sunshine, river and water, they are the examples of free goods. But we need to understand that our economic goods, okay, our free goods can become economic goods. How? As we saw in the example, water in river is a free good. But when water is processed for drinking or we use water for irrigation, okay, then it commands price. And then it also involves opportunity cost. So this is how free good becomes an economic good. So I hope you are clear and you can easily classify economic goods and free goods. Thank you so much.